Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Making your own vegan shredded cheese is surprisingly simple and incredibly rewarding. Many store-bought vegan cheeses can be expensive and often contain ingredients you might want to avoid, like excess starches or palm oil. With our recipe, you get to control every ingredient, ensuring a healthier and fresher product. Plus, the taste is absolutely unbeatable, and it melts beautifully on all your favorite dishes. Our recipe relies on a few key ingredients you likely already have or can easily find. Raw cashews are the base, providing a creamy richness once blended. Nutritional yeast is crucial. It gives the cheese its distinct savory, cheesy flavor that you'll love. We'll also use a specific blend of spices like garlic powder and onion powder, along with a secret ingredient, agar-agar, to achieve that ideal firm, yet meltable, shredded texture. First, you'll need to soak your cashews for at least 30 minutes or even overnight to ensure they blend into an incredibly smooth cream. Once soaked, drain them and combine all your ingredients in a high-speed blender. Blend everything until it's completely smooth and no cashew pieces remain, creating a vibrant, uniform mixture. After blending, we gently heat this mixture on the stovetop, constantly stirring, to activate the agar-agar, which will help it solidify beautifully. After heating, immediately pour the warm cheese mixture into a small, parchment-lined container or mold. This could be a small loaf pan or even a bowl, anything that will give it a compact shape. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator. It needs to chill for at least 2 to 4 hours or until it's completely firm and solid. Once firm, simply pop it out, and it's ready to be shredded with a box grater, just like traditional cheese. Now for the best part, enjoying your delicious homemade vegan shredded cheese. It's incredibly versatile and melts beautifully, making it perfect for topping pizzas, sprinkling over nachos, or mixing into your favorite casseroles. You can even use it in quesadillas or on a classic grilled cheese sandwich. To store it, simply keep the shredded cheese in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. You'll love having this healthy, tasty option on hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.